To access the hidden menu, first turn the ignition on. After all the warnings has gone, press and hold trip reset button for about 10 seconds until you reach the hidden menu. The selection of the menus is done by pressing the button longer, and with a short press you can navigate through the menus. Select menu 1 Identification and go to submenu 3 VIN. Here you can find the VIN of the car. To unlock the menus you need to calculate the sum of the last 5 digits. In my case, the sum of the last 5 is 22. Now go to Unlock and select it. Enter the result here and the menus will be unlocked. I will enter 22 as my unlock code. As you can see, all the menus have been unlocked. Now I will show you some menu functions. For example, in System Test menu, you can do a test of the cluster to see if all the bulbs and indicators work correctly. In Tank menu, you can check the amount of fuel in each tank and the total amount. In Temperature menu, you can check the oil and coolant temperature. In System Voltage menu, you can check the charging voltage of the alternator. With the engine turned off, you will see the voltage in the battery, but if you start the engine, you can see exactly how much the alternator is charging the battery. In Check menu, you can see if and when the car registered some dashboard errors. To exit this menu, turn the ignition off. Thank you for watching. If it was useful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe buttons. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below and I will try to answer all of you.